right, let's talk about that one chore we all kind of dread, right? Meal planning. But what if I told you you could get your whole week planned out, shopping list and all, in literally less time than it takes to make your morning coffee? Yeah, for real. Let's dive in and see how it's done.
Okay, does this one hit a little too close to home? I mean, we've all been there. You want to eat well, you want to stick to a budget, but just the thought of planning it all out, it's exhausting. It's such a common feeling, but guess what? We are about to solve this thing for good.
Right. Let's just call it what it is, the meal planning headache. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's that weekly stress that just creeps up on you.
You know how it goes. It always starts with the best intentions, doesn't it? But then you're lost in that endless Pinterest scroll, or you're just staring into the fridge hoping for some kind of divine inspiration to magically appear. And all the while, that little panic starts to build because dinner time is getting closer and you've got nothing. It's this vicious cycle that just eats up your time. Okay, but what if you had a secret weapon in your corner? Like an assistant that could just handle all that boring, tedious stuff for you. Well, say hello to the hero we didn't know we needed, your very own AI kitchen assistant. No, I mean it. Really think about that for a second. All of the planning, all that back and forth decision making, writing out the list, what if all of it was just done in seconds? That's the real magic of using AI for this. It's not just about the food, it's about saving your time, your money, and let's be honest, your sanity. So you're probably wondering, okay, how do I actually do this? Well, here's the secret. It's not just about using the tool. It's about knowing exactly what to say to it. And it all boils down to this super simple but crazy powerful method, the 4-part magic prompt. And trust me, it is so simple. You don't need to be some tech genius. You just need to tell the AI 4 things. 1, how many meals you're planning for. 2, any special diets or preferences. 3, any limits, like your budget or if you need quick meals. And 4, and this is the absolute key, you have to ask it for a shopping list.
Okay, so here's what that looks like in the real world. This one sentence is literally all you need. See how it has everything? Act as a meal planner. You're giving it a role. 7-day dinner plan for 4 people. That's the number of meals. Budget-friendly, simple to cook. Those are your constraints. And then the magic words. Include a grocery shopping list. Perfect. All right, so you've typed in your magic prompt, you hit enter, and now for the really fun part. You get to sit back and watch the AI do all the work. Let's see what it spits out. And boom, just like that, a full 7-day dinner plan is sitting right in front of you. And look at this. We've got roast chicken, black bean burgers, spaghetti, even homemade pizza. It's amazing. Say goodbye to that decision fatigue, and definitely say goodbye to eating the same old thing over and over. You get this awesome, varied menu, and it took what, a few seconds? Okay, but this part? This is the real game changer. An automated shopping list that's already sorted into categories for you. I mean, how many times have you gotten all the way home from the grocery store just to realize you forgot like the one most important ingredient? Yeah, this little trick, it makes that problem just disappear. And what's so cool is that you are totally in the driver's seat. The plan isn't set in stone. Not in the mood for chicken? Just tell it, hey, swap that for fish. Or maybe you want to try going vegetarian next week. You just say the word and it'll redo the whole thing for you. It's seriously like having your own personal meal planner on call, 24/7. So when you put it all together, what do you get? You're basically taking this chore that used to be a total headache and took hours, and you're shrinking it down to just a few minutes. And here's the bottom line. We're talking less than 3 minutes. I'm not kidding. That's all it takes to go from, what are we going to eat this week, to having a full plan and a shopping list ready to go. Think about that. That is an insane return on your time. So let's just recap the big takeaways here. You get a full 7-day plan. You get a complete organized grocery list. It's fully customizable. You can change it on a whim. And the best part of all, you get your time back. That is huge. Okay, so now that you basically have this new superpower, I want to leave you with this question. What's that one meal you always struggle with? You know, the one you just can't seem to figure out? Think about it. And then go give this a try. I bet you'll be pretty amazed at what it comes up with for you.